Guys, if you have never made $1,000 trading boom and crash, then you need to watch this simple strategy, and of course you get to see how you can put it into use and make some good amount of money right from here. So all you just need to do is just for you to stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will know how it works even before you start using it. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's get into the real business. Okay, so first of all, let's check out the chart. Okay, this is the custom made indicator we'll be using. It is called a smart indicator. If you're having it, kindly listen carefully so that you will understand what I'm about to explain right here. And if you're not having it, you can contact me for it, and of course you will enjoy it. Okay, so first of all, like I've always been telling you, whenever you are trading any of these assets, you should know that they are trading assets. You getting the exact trade will help you to make a lot of profit. That is why this indicator is programmed based on the trend. Okay, so you can see right here the market started a downtrend somewhere here from this resistance zone. And how do I know that? The market actually got to this resistance, it was unable to break out above it, gave us a red dotted line right here, which means that it is starting a downtrend, and it gave us this magenta color, which signifies a sell signal. And we just needed to break out from this support zone, and it broke out below it. And check it out, it sold for a very long time, just a single signal, right? Just a single signal from here, and it sold. It kept on selling. There are pullbacks in between, but it kept on selling and selling till it got to this region, till it got to this support zone. Okay, it was unable to break out from this support zone. Definitely we should expect a CIT around there, which is a change in direction of the trend. And of course we finally got it around there. We got a buy signal, and of course an uptrend signal, so which gives us an opportunity to buy. So which means if we are to trade these assets, okay, we should give a sell. We should follow the sell signal around here. We should go for a sell around here, a sell around here. Okay, and of course if you are going for a sell around here, we should place our order somewhere here, and of course stop loss somewhere here. Okay, and of course after trading the market, make it the market to the very end of the trend, we got a buy order around here. You know, this is spikes. Okay, so the buy order should be somewhere here, so we're going to come in around here, and of course we're going to put our stop loss somewhere here. Okay, you can see, and right now we would have been in profit again. Okay, and this is beautiful, right? This is beautiful. That is why we always make profits back to back on daily basis within the Telegram channel. So if you have been wondering where the profits are coming from, where the signals are coming from, this is it. This is the exact indicator that we have been using, so you too can also tap into it right away and start making the market. Go ahead and try out this strategy if you're having the indicator, and see how juicy the market will be. Okay, and of course if you're not having, you can contact me on WhatsApp and we can arrange one for you. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.